Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Crosshair X to Xbox Game Bar. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your Xbox Game Bar, like so, and check if it's all working. Okay, once that's done, just go ahead and close it for now. Now go ahead and open up Crosshair X, okay? In here, when you go ahead and open up Crosshair X, you will be landed to your dashboard. Okay, so go to the left panel, click on Display Modes. Right here, go ahead and click on Game Bar Mode, okay? Instead of a simple overlay mode. Click on Game Bar Mode, and once done, you would need to get the extension, okay? This one is free from the Microsoft Store, so just click on it, and it will load up the page. So all you'll do is just click on Get, wait for it, and once that's done, it will say installed right here. You can now go ahead and close this one. Go ahead and click on Launch Crosshair X extension directly. So just click on this option, and as you can see here, we now have a new extension, which is the Crosshair X extension. And what you'll do is just basically enable click through at the top bar. So just do what it says, click on enable click through right here. Now pin this one. There you go. Now what you'll do next is just make sure that your crosshair is not hidden. Okay? And there you have it. As you can see here, we have the extension. You can now go ahead and move it and center it out if you want to. Okay? Or you have the auto center right here. There you go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.